It was the first time that I saw you. I had never seen anything so perfect. I remember thinking that I had to have you or I'd die. Then you whispered that you loved me. And I felt so peaceful.
I hate you. I hate you so much.
No, you don't.
I should hate you.
I did everything to make you happy.
You want to know what I'm scared of? I'm scared of everything. I'm scared to move. I'm scared to breathe. I'm scared to touch you. You made me love you. You made me let you in, and then you freaking die in my arms. I can't lose you. I won't survive. And that's your fault.